How to fix bad quality TikTok upload. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your upload in bad quality. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First of all, make sure that you have updated your app. If not, head over to Play Store and search for TikTok. In case you see update sign here, tap on update. If not, you're good to go. Now open up your settings app. Here scroll below to apps and search for camera. Tap on camera settings. In case you see higher resolution, toggle on that button. However, the settings may vary according to your devices. Now open up your TikTok and make sure that you are logged into your account. Tap on 3-bar icon on your top right. Tap on settings and privacy. Under cache and cellular, tap on data saver. If you have toggled this button, untoggle this, and once you untoggle this button, it won't reduce your data consumption while using the cellular data, and all the videos will be in high quality. This is how you will be able to do so. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.